Tool of the trade: quarantine. Quarantines have been used for centuries to contain epidemics by keeping people who have been exposed to a disease separated from the rest of the population to see if they get sick. The word quarantine comes from the Italian for 40 days, quarantana giorni. During the plague pandemic of the 1300s, that's how long the city of Venice made ships wait in the harbor before docking, to be sure no one on board had plague. As the Black Death raced through Europe, other cities began using quarantines. Sometimes entire neighborhoods or towns were sealed off to prevent plague from spreading, but quarantines could backfire. If people in infected cities suspected that a quarantine order was coming, thousands would flee, hoping to get out before they were shut in with the sick and dying. Inevitably, some of the people running away from the quarantine would develop plague, spreading it far and wide. Quarantine is one of the social distancing measures we still use today to control the spread of disease. In 2020, many countries began requiring anyone returning from an area affected by COVID-19 to self-quarantine for at least 2 weeks. New Zealand instituted a rule that all travelers must report to a quarantine station and stay there for 2 weeks, returning to their homes only when they tested negative for the COVID-19 virus.